gonna come down.
So here we are, Corey and I desperately trying to catch our fish, and Ryan decides he's gonna throw his line in one more time. Missed one.
Try and get the thunder and lightning too.
So here we are.
Have him in the water.
In the water, hooked with another trout, and this one's bigger than the last. It's thundering and lightning. Corey's swearing. Do you want to take this again and I'll get my...
You might as well.
Wet again?
Christ. I just hope the lightning doesn't hit right now.
Nah, you'll be alright. Hang tough, Rye. We'll reel it in for you if you die. A lot bigger is right.
I don't think he's gonna be ready yet. That's a male. Isn't that hook on his nose? That's a male.
Yeah.
A big fat male. I really like your 6 pound smaller cousin, Corey. Invisible line.
I have some too in the bag. I should be tying it on.
We got away this time. He's right here.
Ryan, the man, with another. And good help, Amanda.
Wow, he's dark.
Wow, is he ever, man. Good fish, Rye. Good fish. Nice.
Look at that roe bag, just about to fall out. Hands are numb. He's got other hooks in his mouth too. You got those pliers, Corey?
Beautiful color. Easy, boy.
These hooks are huge. And these pliers are huge.
You get the hook out though.
Wow.
Oh, you hooked him.
He wasn't going anywhere.
Strong. Oh, just broke my line. There we go.
You want me to stop and actually snap a shot, or
Yeah.
Let me get the weight too.
how do you stop it?
Just hit the play button again.